A special investigation team is probing the death of Confident Group Chairman C.J. Roy with a key focus on 9-page handwritten note allegedly written by Roy in red ink. Senior police officials said the note mentions multiple issues, all of which are currently under examination. Investigators have stated that details cannot be disclosed at this stage as the probe is still underway. Sources have also indicated that Roy had been consulting a psychiatrist, suggesting that he was under significant mental stress in the period leading up to his death. The police have registered the case as an unnatural death and constituted a special investigation team to conduct a detailed inquiry. The special investigation team is examining the handwritten note and questioning several witnesses as part of the investigation. Confident Group Chairman C.J. Roy, aged 57, was found dead on January 30, 2026 at his office near Richmond Circle in Bengaluru, while income tax officials from Kerala were present to question him. Roy had reportedly been under the income tax department's scanner since December. Confident Group Managing Director T.A. Joseph stated that Roy had gone to the office to provide a statement to income tax officials. According to him, Roy locked himself inside his cabin saying he wanted to speak to his mother. Later, security personnel found him unresponsive. Roy's brother C.J. Babu has alleged that extreme pressure from the income tax department drove Roy to take the drastic step. Income tax officials have denied any harassment, maintaining that they were only performing their official duties. Meanwhile, details of the multiple searches conducted earlier have not yet been made public. It also remains unclear whether the SIT has questioned the income tax officials involved. The investigation is ongoing and further details are awaited.